So some fairly straightforward substitutions to start the question, completing the table of values for y equals 6 over x. So if I substitute in 0.5 for x, y will be 6 divided by 0.5. You can use a calculator, or you might realise that that comes to 12. We then use x is 3, and when x is 3, y will be 6 divided by 3, which is 2. And finally, we do x is, okay, so here's your x, and x is 5. 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. So we have the table of values. We now need to plot them into the graph, which I'll do now. So now we're going to plot the graph, y equals 6 over x, between 0.5 and 6, taking information from the table of values we just worked out. So when x is 0.5, then y was 12, so we need a mark at the top here. Then when x is 1, y is 6. When x is 2, y was 3. When x is 3, y is 2. When x is 4, y is 1.5, so I can't get it that accurate on this iPad that I'm using, but that's roughly right. You should know exactly where to put it if you're doing the question yourself on a proper grid. 5 went with 1.2, so that needs to be 6 squares up, just about got it there, and 6 with 1. And then you have to draw a smooth curve through the line. So I'll do my best to get that right. And we stop there at the 6-1. So that's roughly correct. Slight inaccuracy there. Should be right on the 1. Okay, but obviously on a full-size exam paper it's much easier to draw that, and that's showing you how to plot the graph of y equals 6 over x between 0.5 and 6. So it's important that you don't go over 0.5 or past the, or sorry, below the 0.5 or above the 6. It tells you only to draw it between those two values, and so it should come down like that, finishing at 6.1.